Hey, we're in Conroe, Texas with a mailbox Sentinel parcel safe on duty here on this beautiful Monday evening. We've got a flagstone finished unit here for this client. This has both a parcel box and mailbox functionality. You see the top part here is this size for returns, meets all the standard specifications for USPS. Of course, this other slot here, that's where all the letters go. We'll show you here in a minute how the back door protects that letter tray. So simply go onto Amazon, and in the special instructions, you'll place your parcel box code for them to use when they arrive to make deliveries, no matter who they are. And then this unit will actually hold like a 16 by 29 inch parcel. That's about 80% of all packages shipped by Amazon. The delivery person simply comes, they put your code in, put the parcel in, they close that, and now it's locked. Obviously, you come home and you key in a separate code. You go to the back of the device, and you open this up, and that's how you would actually receive your parcels. Here's the letter tray. It keeps your mail totally separate. Hey, think about this. If you leave town, for a month, you're one of those good people that has the opportunity to do that. Take this letter tray out, put a box in there. You're gonna hold mail for quite some time. You probably stay gone a year if you want to. We have a solar power kit on this unit. It's fully self-contained, and that keeps it operational. It keeps the lighted placards going on the exterior, which actually operate off a timer, so you don't have to worry about a photo control going bad. And then we have an interior cabinet light, of course, that opens anytime, or comes on rather, anytime any door is opened. So for more details and more videos like this, featuring our mailbox Sentinels and our box Sentinel parcel safes, we certainly welcome you to follow us on this YouTube channel, as well as you can always go online to mbsentinel.com. NB Sentinel Enterprises.